It's Gray Paladin again, and today I have an unboxing of the new SaberForge Gen3 Eco Saber, the Stalwart. Let's crack it open and see how it looks. Alright, in this order I end up getting a white blade, and the reason why is because I wanted the white LED so that way I could change day blades and hopefully get some different colors out of one saber. Well, we all know what the blade looks like. V4 Infinity blade, and I believe this one is 32 inches. There we are. In this particular order, I also got a charger, nice belt clip. Looks like I got some extra retention screws and Allen key. See that right there. Camera can zoom in. Great. Great. Came with two actually. Huh. Now I actually don't remember ordering a stand, but SaberForge sent me one. So I'm not going to argue with that. That's pretty cool. Comes with a single hilt stand and additional accessory bag of screws and Allen key. In the review video I will set up the stand so you can see that on there. So here we are, the Stalwart. And there she is, a beautiful piece of work. What's lovely about this saber is the blade windows that are on there. I do like windows on the emitter, and I did get a different blade plug, and that's the I believe blade plug 3. So I'll get more into detail on this with the review video, but here we are, the Gen 3 Eco Saber, the Stalwart. Do one quick fire up for you. And there she is, the Stalwart. I'll put a link below for the review.